This is unbelievable. The kitchen gas salesman passed me this tip. I did it here at home, and it really works. You want to save gas? Look at the situation of this stove mouth, guys. Look what you will do. Are you tired of the gas running out all the time and not lasting the right time? Guys, this tip I have here is for you. You're going to be passing toothpaste here. It's a wonderful tip that a kitchen gas salesman gave me. You're going to be doing this with the toothpaste. Guys, we're going to be taking the other one here, and we're going to be doing the same process. You can put a lot of it inside this greasy mouth. Look at the way it looks. You're going to go over here on your stove, on everybody. Now, with the help of a brush, we are going to spread this toothpaste so that it covers completely. Spread the toothpaste well, all over. You will do this process on all the burners of the stove. And on the same day you will notice the result. It is amazing how well it really works. Spread it well. This part of the stove is very dirty and full of grease. Now that we have spread all the toothpaste, let's add a spoonful of salt, just like I am showing you. Now add about 2 tablespoons of detergent. After that, folks, we are going to be pouring hot water here. It needs to be very hot water. And this water will stay here for approximately 10 minutes. It is not necessary to stay longer than that, until it completely covers our pieces. And look how it's going, folks. This mixture that we made has already started to loosen the grease that was stuck to the stove part. Look how wonderful it is. It seems like magic. Look how this lid turned out. If it doesn't come off, just rub it a little and it will be clean. And look how much dirt there was on my stove. Now it is just a matter of passing this piece under water and using a sponge to easily clean these pieces. See how easy it is. Look what magic. Look how our parts look. It's practically new. Now I will show you the amount of dirt that came off this piece. Look at that. The old grease came off everything. You will save 30 to 40% of your cooking gas. Now, folks, you're going to need a Q-tip or a toothpick. And how are you going to be using that? I'm going to take the Q-tip and I'm going to show you. You're going to dip the Q-tip into the mixture that we just made. And in these holes on the stove it's usually clogged up a lot, and that causes the gas consumption to increase. And look what I'm going to be doing. This here, folks, is all full of grease and dirt, so we're going to be going over here to remove all the dirt. And look at the situation of our cotton swab. Look how dirty it is, guys. This increases your gas consumption a lot. And look at these parts of my stove. How perfect they are. They look like new. And just this cleaning on your stove will increase from 30 to 40% the economy of your cooking gas. Do you know this tip? And look at the size of this flame. Take a look at the size of this stove's flame. We were thinking of donating this stove or throwing it away, because it was not worth it to have a stove like this. But it has improved by 100%. It is wonderful. It is a perfect saving of cooking gas, and your food will be ready much faster. The cooking gas here at home is lasting a long time. If you liked this tip, leave a note here in the comments from 0 to 10. A big hug, stay with God and see you next tip.